Well, hey there! I'm so excited you're joining us today for At Home with High Reach Learning. Come on in, the fun is just getting started. Where will your truck go? For this activity, you'll need a toy truck or car, paint, paper, and a plastic container. Let's join in on this activity.
All right, we're going to take our truck and we're going to roll it through our paint. Roll